Hey guys, it's a snowy day here in the winter time, and we're bringing in a bunch of lumber logs for our porch decking, which is Douglas fir and larch material. And this loader that we're using, it's not ours, but logging company's loader. They're unloading them. Check this out. They unload one log, one entire truck at a time, one bite. So we don't have a loader like that, but they brought that in to haul in about 20 loads of this material. Let's check it out. So this is a local logging company. They also own Granite Concrete, Thompson Contracting, and they have a bunch of logs that are semi-dry, Douglas fir and larch. And here he comes. He's going to take that whole entire load off with one bite. It's a Caterpillar 988 loader. It's a lot quicker than our smaller machinery. And they're bringing in, like I said, about 20 loads or so. And this will work for about a year's supply of the porch material, the window trim, the exterior window trim of the log homes, and the porch fascia, which it trims the porches and the roof fascia. Check this out. Truck goes out to get another load just down the road from the logging yard, and then brings it in. That's kind of hard to imagine, one entire truck on his forks, right? So that's how the big mills do it. We're a small operator. We don't have that big of a volume normally to justify a machine like that, but it sure is nice to bring in 20 loads and just get them unloaded very quickly. So these trees are all from select harvesting, where they improve the forest. Provides clearings for grass and game, food for game, wildfire prevention, and it's good for the forest. So these loggers are stewards of the forest, and it's a good thing. We make lumber and logs for homes out of these logs. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's how you unload logs for our raw material in a jiffy. It's almost Christmas, so if you're watching this before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you're watching after, then Merry Christmas for next year. God bless y'all.